Hello, everybody. This is your daily real estate practice exam question, and we got a construction question for you today. I know you guys always say to me, "Hey, Stu, these are always on the test. There's always at least one or two construction questions." So, in the coming weeks, I'm going to try to get some up here so that you have them. So, let's look at this first one. The sheet metal that is used to protect a building from water seepage is called A, gutter, B, sheeting, C, flashing, and D, filter. So let's talk about this. It's not a filter and it's not a gutter, okay? Because a gutter, here's the gutter. So I'm looking at a roof of a property. This is the gutter right here, okay? And what happens is that catches rain or water overflow, okay? And those need to be cleaned regularly for any of you who have a house. You can see another gutter over there, okay? So those are our gutters. And we know that it's not a filter. Those are going to be in your HVAC systems, things like that. It is not sheeting. It is called flashing. So this is a picture of what it is right here. So this is it right next to a chimney. So what happens is it prevents water from going down there. It's usually like a little metal sheet, okay? And you can see right here, I'm actually going to give you a little zoomy in, okay, so that you can see what it looks like as I explain it to you. So here's what it is. It's basically preventing water from getting down there. And there's usually sealant around it too, okay? And this is also on usually like head jams and things like that in regards to siding. So you also see this too behind siding and things like that. Excuse me. So there's no seepage of any water that you're going to have from the elements, okay? And this is exterior of a home, so that's why we're talking about it here. Usually, like I said, chimneys, you'll definitely see it around that. And that sometimes needs to be reinforced, maintained, and checked every once in a while to make sure that there's no breaks in the integrity of the flashing. So, guys, that's a little construction 101 for you guys as far as what flashing is. I hope you like this one. If you do, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. And remember, if you need me for any help, I got links down below to private lessons. I'm more than happy to help you guys out on a one-to-one level. So guys, have a great one, and I'm going to see you real soon.